Hey Tech Explorers, today we are talking about something super cool, AI generated content. It sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple and awesome. Imagine a computer program that can create stuff for you, like stories, pictures, and even videos. That's what AI generated content is all about. Ready for another fun tech adventure? Let's find out together. So, what exactly is AI? Think of it like a super smart helper that lives inside your computer. This helper, called artificial intelligence or AI, is really good at learning and following instructions. You tell it what to do, and it uses its smart to create amazing things for you, like videos, music, or even drawings. But how does it do all this? Well, AI uses complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to understand patterns and make decisions. It's like having a digital brain that can process information much faster than a human ever could. Imagine having a personal assistant who never gets tired and is always ready to help you with your tasks. From writing essays to creating art, AI can do it all. It's revolutionizing the way we work and play, making our lives easier and more efficient every day. Ever wondered how some YouTubers make such cool videos so quickly? AI tools are changing the way we create content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. There are special programs that can help make videos easier and faster. These programs can even help with editing and adding special effects. Cool, right? Faceless videos and more. What cool AI tools can you use? In today's digital age, technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. Have you ever heard of faceless videos? These are videos where you don't need to show your face, yet you can still create engaging and compelling content. It's one of the coolest things AI can do. Imagine the possibilities for content creators who are camera shy or simply want to maintain their privacy. It lets you create videos without even showing your face. You can use avatars, animations, or even voiceovers to convey your message effectively. Imagine being the star of your own show without ever being on camera. This opens up the world of opportunities for educators, marketers, entertainers alike. Another cool AI tool that can turn your ideas into songs. Whether you are building a musician or someone with a creative spark, this tool can help you bring your musical ideas to life. Just type in what you want your song to be about, and the AI will handle the rest. It can generate lyrics, compose it, melodies, and even produce the final track. And the AI will compose the music for you. This is just the beginning of what AI can do. Stay tuned for more amazing tools and innovations that can transform the way you create and share content. AI is the future. Let's explore more together. AI changing the world around us, making it easier and more fun to create awesome stuff. Imagine a world where your smartphone can predict your needs, or where your home adjusts itself to your preferences or automatically. AI is not just a tool, it's becoming an integral part of our daily lives, enhancing our experiences in ways we never thought possible. From making cool videos to composing music, the possibilities are endless. Artists and creators are finding new ways to express themselves, using AI to push the boundaries of creativity. Whether you are a musician, a filmmaker, or a painter, AI offers tools that can help you bring your vision to life in ways that were once unimaginable. It's like having a magic wand inside your computer. With just a few clicks, you can create something extraordinary. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and other AI driven technologies are transforming how we interact with the world, making it more immersive and engaging. What do you think about AI? Do you see it as a helpful assistant or a potential threat? The conversation around AI is as diverse as the technology itself. Some people are excited about the possibilities, while others are cautious about the implications. Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions are important, and they help shape the future of AI. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just curious, your voice matters in this ongoing dialogue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's explore the future of AI together and see where this incredible journey takes us. Stay tuned for more exciting content and updates.